Give me that. Give me that.
Itinuro ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo na sa pagkakasal ay pinapagsasama ng Diyos ang lalaki at babae upang maging isang laman lamang sa paningin ng may kapal. Dahil dito'y iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at makikisama sa kanyang asawa at ang dalawa ay magiging isang laman. Kaya hindi na sila dalawa kundi isang laman. Ang pinapagsama na ng Diyos ay huwag mapaghiwalayin ng tao.
We are surrounded by all of these lies and people who talk too much.
April 16, 2023, nagsimula ang lahat sa isang simpleng message na, "Hi Janice." At dito na nagsimula ang ating love story. Naalala mo ba nung unang date natin? That was June 9, 2023. You've always makes me feel na hindi ako nag-iisa dahil palagi kang nakasuporta sa mga decision making ko.
So in love. So in love, so in love.
This gift is a small compared to what you've given to me. Your heart, your trust, your forever. Today, I don't just marry the love of my life. I marry my best friend, my safe place, my greatest blessing, and I promise to choose you every day, in every season, for the rest of my life. Forever start with you. Always yours, that you need it. Aww. My love, thank you. I love you. Today, I thank God for you. The answer to my prayers that I didn't know how to pray yet. Hindi ko in-expect na darating ako sa punto na ito because I haven't dreamed of it yet. To get married, to have my own family, until God gave me you.
So in love, so in love, so in love, 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 so in love.
To my soon-to-be husband, this is it. Sana magustuhan mo tong gift ko sa'yo. I choose this gift cause it really reminds me of your number one love language. As the time keeps ticking, may this reminds you that from this day on, you will never be alone. Kasi ako na magiging anino mo. Ha ha ha. I love you, my love. See you later. Love, your soon-to-be wife, Janice. To my soon-to-be wife, thank you for the gift at I love you.
We are here now. He gave this day as a proof of His love and blessing to us.
Down below.
Sana magpapakabait ka. Tatahakin mo ang buhay pag-aasawa. Sana'y maging maligaya ka.
Dapat maging handa ka sa lahat ng pagsubok na ibibigay ng Diyos.
Thank you po sa lahat. Sa pagpapalaki po sa akin.
Light will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
Alam ko na madami pa tayong pagsubok na pagdadaanan. At alam ko rin na kayang-kaya natin lahat ng ito. Dahil hindi tayo pababayaan ng ating Amang Diyos. I promise na sa mga araw at oras na malungkot ka, ako ang magiging clown mo. I promise na mamahalin kita ng buong katapatan at palaging makikinig and to stand beside you through every season of life.
I choose you today, every day until this lifetime. Thank you for being my peace sa magulong mundo ko, for always being there, even sa mga shortcomings and struggles ko. Thank you for making me feel loved, even sa time na mahirap akong mahalin.
Today, I chose you. I give you my heart and life. I will always choose you, now, always, and forever.
You are my favorite person, my greatest blessing, and the love of my life. Please take care of me and our future family. Love, Jack.
To fix you.